You know what? I think it's okay. Actually. It's like almost like I'm trying to fillet a fillet. It's fine. I got that side because it's not on a fillet. I can't get that side because it is a fillet already. And there's so many fillets in there. It's smooth. It's as smooth as I need it to be. It's fine. Actually, there's something else I could do to save on print time here. Now that I think about it, I just saw it. I don't know how much it'll save on print time, but it will. So we could just start on this side. We'll go here. Reference plane. Good. Two millimeters off. All right. Check. And then what I actually want to do is let's go ahead and plane time. We'll zero that in right to plane time. There we go.
Fossil 30 seconds. 2 SST_cult. The egg-hatching elephant from Dr. Seuss's beloved tales is none other than Horton. Wisebot. The 30 seconds advertisement has ended.
Reverse that direction. Yep. 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 Very good. Yep. Let's check that. Do that again. Offset entities. We'll do it this way with this whole thing. Boom. 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 Check. Go like this. There. Check. Trim entities right there. And right there and right there. I'm just gonna hollow this out inside of here. Features. Extruded cut. Offset from surface. At 2.33. This surface. Very good. Alright. That'll save on a lot of print time. Check. There we go. File. Save. we go. I'll save on some print time. It'll print supports, but it won't do 100% infill, so there's no need for that thing to be a giant chunk.